Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to make YouTube Shorts using the built-in creation tools on your phone. First, open the YouTube app, then tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Then choose Create a Short. You can record a new video by holding the record button, or select an existing clip from your gallery by tapping the gallery icon in the lower left corner. Once you've chosen or recorded your clip, tap Done and wait for it to process. Next, tap the check icon to move to the editing screen. Here you can add music, text, captions, filters, or even stickers to make your short more creative and engaging. Once you're happy with your edits, tap Next, write your caption, and adjust your visibility settings like public or private. Finally, tap Upload Short. And you're done.